Hello, and welcome to Building Your Class Section Syllabus in Simple Syllabus via Canvas. My name is Leslie Buck, and I'm a professor of psychology here at Jefferson College. I'm also the General Education Program Coordinator. Before we get into the agenda for this video, I want to talk just a little bit about what Simple Syllabus, an institutional course guide, and an instructor's syllabus are. So the institutional course guide, or ICG, contains the required minimum elements that are shared by all sections of a course. So every section of a course, for example, has the same catalog description. An instructor's syllabus for a specific section of a class is going to include all of the elements from the ICG, but will also include some unique elements to that particular course, such as the instructor's contact information, the calendar for the class in terms of class meetings and assignment due dates, things like that. The syllabi for your individual classes are posted in Canvas. We are now using a tool called Simple Syllabus to post those. So in this video, we're going to cover how to access that via Canvas, and then how to make all of your required and optional edits so that you can submit and publish that syllabus for your students enrolled in your class. All instructors are required to use the Canvas Simple Syllabus link for their section syllabi beginning in spring of 2025. So this video is divided up into two components. You can access whatever component you need. After I record the video, I'm going to come back into this slide and I'm going to add some minute markers so you can quickly jump to whatever part of the video you might need. So the first part of the video is going to be focused on the 3-step guide to Simple Syllabus with a couple of bonus features related to editing your instructor information and how to request additional assistance. The second part of the video is going to get into some of the nuts and bolts about how to actually edit or add information into the rich content editor text boxes in Simple Syllabus. In that part of the video, we're going to cover some details about copying text or list of text from some other source document, copying or just creating tables in the text box, how to post images, and how to post links. I'll be showing you some examples of how I do this in my own classes. Before we get into part 1, I want to review 3 of the resources I'll be highlighting during this video. The first is the Simple Syllabus Guide Brief, and this is where you find that 3-step guide that I'm going to be going over in the first part of the video, as well as the information in the second part of the video. So a little tip about this guide is I recommend you expand or show the document outline. This can help you quickly jump to whichever section you need to jump to. So if you want to just jump down to look at how to copy tables, you can get there. The best way to view this document is in what is called pageless view. So you can click on Format, and you can switch back and forth between Pages format, which shows you the page breaks there if you were to print this document, or Pageless format. The thing I like about the Pageless format is it allows you to collapse the headings down, which can help you sort of see the big picture, and then you can just expand as needed. There will be a link to this particular document in the description of this video in YouTube. This document and the link that takes you here will be updated as things change with Canvas and Simple Syllabus over time. So you should always see the most recent update date on this document. There's also a much shorter 5-minute Simple Syllabus video created by our Jefferson College Help Desk that if you just want to try that one out before you get into this more detailed video, there's a link to that here and in the Simple Syllabus brief guide. The other resource we're going to use during this video is the Adjunct Syllabus Checklist. This checklist was substantially updated in the Adjunct Faculty Handbook for the 2024-2025 academic year. So you'll need to go to the most updated version of that handbook to make sure you're using this checklist. So part of what we're going to do in this video is we're going to walk through this checklist as we look at using Simple Syllabus. So if you need to pause the video, open up some of those resources so you have those handy, do so now. Otherwise, we're going to continue on to part 1. In part 1, we're going to be covering how to access Simple Syllabus, how to use it for the first time, and how to use the copy feature this semester and in the future, and how to submit and publish the syllabus for students enrolled in the class. 2 bonus components are going to be how to edit your instructor information in your Simple Syllabus profile, and how to request additional assistance. So to get started with step 1, we need to get into Canvas. So from your My Jeffco page, you should have a quick link to get into Canvas. So Canvas will load into your dashboard. And what you want to do is you want to open the class that you want to work with. I'm going to be using my online general psychology class as the example in this particular video. So right now, I haven't added any information into this Canvas course shell. This is the basic raw template shell that we all get at the beginning of each semester. And the way that you're going to access this is via this course menu. So one of the options here on the course menu is something called Simple Syllabus. Now you may have something called syllabus on here. The syllabus page is sometimes handy for students because of the course summary that's available here, but that is not the tool that we will be using in this video. So you're going to need to find the one that actually says Simple Syllabus. Now when you click on Simple Syllabus, ideally it's going to open up to a template that you will edit to create your section syllabus. If you click on the Simple Syllabus link and you get this error message, that means a couple of different things might be going on. One thing is that the institutional course guide that is attached to this syllabus could be being actively edited by the college. For example, the textbook edition may have changed, and if the college associate dean or administrative specialist has that ICG open to actively update the textbook for all sections, then you're not going to be able to access the syllabus, nor will your students be able to access the syllabus. The less common reason would be that the term had not been opened or released in Simple Syllabus. Terms generally open in Simple Syllabus around the same time that enrollment for that term opens, which is usually in the middle of the preceding term. So if you ever get this error message, start by contacting your school associate dean or senior administrative specialist, and they can help you troubleshoot what's going on. If not, the Jefferson College Help Desk can be helpful as well.